Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way ever to password protect your PDF file. Like seriously, if you can search on Google, you can do this. It's that simple. So let's jump right in.
Open Google Chrome, go to Google, and type password protect PDF file. You'll see a bunch of results, but the first one is usually iLovePDF. Go ahead and click that. It's free and super beginner friendly. Once you're on the site, hit Select PDF File and pick the PDF you want to lock. After it uploads, you'll see a box that says Type Password. Just type in whatever password you want to use. Then in the Repeat Password box, type the same password again so the system knows you didn't mess it up. Now click Protect PDF. In just a second, your PDF gets encrypted. Click Download Protected PDF and save it to your computer. And super important, click Delete It Now on the website so your file is removed from their server. Got to keep everything safe and private, Now, if you want to check whether it really worked, just open File Explorer, find your locked PDF, right-click it, and choose Open with Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. The moment it opens, it should ask you for the password. Just type it in and hit Enter. Boom! Your secure file opens right up. If this quick tutorial helped you out, do me a solid. Hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what other easy tech guides you want next.